My dear friends, today's class and today's video and the next videos are most important. We'll discuss about structure of the page table. In this, we'll discuss about the three topics. One is hierarchical paging, hierarchical paging. We are so far seen with a single page table. Now we are going to use multiple page tables. So because one single page table is huge size, millions of entries in a single page table, then it's difficult. Lot of memory is needed to store that page table. We'll divide that page table into several small page tables. That is called two uh, dual page table, three stage page table, four stage page table. We'll discuss in detail later. Next one, hash page tables. Hashed page tables. Third topic is inverted page table. These three comes the structure of the page table. My dear friends, today's class, in this video we'll discuss about hashed page table, and the next video we'll discuss about inverted page table. In this topic, the first topic, hierarchical paging, we'll discuss at the last. It is a very good concept. There are so many gate questions are coming on this. Along with this topic, we'll discuss some few gate questions. That's why I will discuss in the last session. Okay. Now let us see this. How physical memory or logical space or hard disk, the size is day by day is increasing. Let us note down this hierarchy. 2 power 10 is equals to 1 kilobyte, 1 KB. 2 power 20 is equals to 1 MB. 2 power 30 is equals to 1 GB. And 2 power 40 is equals to 1 terabyte. 2 power 50 is equals to 1 petabyte. 2 power 60 is equals to 1 exabyte. My dear friends, the secondary memory, your hard disk size nowadays, we are using enormous memory, huge memory. Now people are using 2 power 60, 2 power 32, 2 power 60. Generally now present computers 250 GB hard disk or 500 GB hard disk and 1 TB. Again, servers and all, we are using 1 exabyte, 1 petabyte. This is the hard disk enormously increasing. If we divide this into number of pages, the page size is 4 KB, means that table contains millions of pages. To store all these millions of pages, we need a lot of memory, my dear friends. The best way to represent is, today's class, we'll discuss about hashing, hashed page table. For 2 power 32, for 2 power 32, 2 power 2 into 2 power 30 is equals to 4 GB. 32, 2 power. Now 4 GB onward, for 4 GB we need 32 bits for logical address, my dear friend. Above 2 power 32, how to maintain the page table using hash table, we are going to discuss today's class. Kindly note down this diagram, then we'll follow what is the technique behind this. CPU always generates, my dear friends, physical address and offset, and this is hash function. This is hash function. The hash function input is page number. Okay, your logical space is divided into according to the page size, and that page, each page number is given to the hash function, and we are going to create here hash table. In previously we created page table, okay, but here we will create hash table. For that, input is page number. This is hash function. Hash function generates hash value that has to be searched in this hash function, okay, in this entry. My dear friends, here you see there are three components in each entry, that is page number, frame number, and this is linked to the next linked list. This is actually linked list. We will represent in data structure as a linked list. This entry is a linked list. Q is a frame number, page number, frame number, and next linked to the next address. P R. If P, this hash value is checked with this linked list, my dear friends. Suppose first one is P. P is generated hash value. That P is equal to Q or not? No. Then it is checked with next in the linked list. Both are stored here only in this entry. Then P is checked with P here, second entry, second linked list. True. Then this will be given R. This is a frame number. This is offset is added, and this will be given physical memory address. Understood, my dear friends? How we are going to use, instead of page table, we are using only hash table. We are using hash function. For that, we are using page number as an input. This generates hash value that we are going to compare with this entry. This entry is a combination of linked list. These two are located here. If you so on, sequentially it searches all the linked list. This first linked list, it's find, okay. Second, it's found. Then this R, this is the frame number, will be given here, and offset is created. This is using hash function. We are implementing page table. Okay, my dear friends. Few points, please note down. Hash values are, this is only to maintain use page tables above 32 bits logical space. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Next class we will discuss about inverted page table. Okay. Thank you.